Welcome. Let's create an array in Java. So what are arrays? Arrays are used to store arrays are used to store multiple variable, or yeah, you could say multiple values in a single variable. So that was completed with GitHub Copilot. So to declare an array, you use int square brackets, the name of arrays, and the arrays you want to store. So the problem with arrays is you can store a string inside an int array. So whenever you create an int array, you want to store only int inside. So you could just do tab to save, to just accept everything. And to create a string array is the same thing. Just do string the name of strings, and yeah, you could just do the string hello world, and that's how to create an array in Java. Thank you.